contributing to a fuller life with vehicles. With these words as one of the slogans, and driven by a burning frontier spirit, Suzuki Motor Company Limited has accomplished countless technical innovations in the field of motor vehicle manufacture. Behind the present leading position in the light car industry in Japan, and the wide range of motorcycle models which are favorites of the most exacting motorcyclists throughout the world, there has always been this frontier spirit and high technical standards. In November 1970, in order to open up a new age in the history of motorcycles, Suzuki acquired from Audi NSU Auto Union in West Germany the manufacturing license for their rotary engines, thus introducing a significant new phase by the combination of Suzuki motorcycles and the rotary engine. The rotary engine makes use of a triangular rotor that rotates eccentrically in an oval-like rotor housing. The four processes of intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust take place continuously around the rotor, while the rotor makes one complete rotation, giving 3 power strokes per rotor cycle. In a rotary engine, the only motion required of the rotor to generate power is true revolution around the output shaft axis. This revolution can be utilized directly to drive the wheel, resulting in extremely uniform torque, high acceleration, and a compact, lightweight engine structure, a combination of features that make it an ideal heart for a motorcycle. All the technical resources then was devoted to develop this engine into the best possible power plant for new Suzuki's touring machines. In experiment after experiment, Suzuki solved many tough problems concerning exacting material requirements and cooling demands while developing valuable know-how. For the all-important sealing between the rotor housing and the rotor, Suzuki developed an entirely new material and an ingenious device. Suzuki subjected the model engines to the severest trials, including endless series of endurance tests. And out of these ordeals emerged the true throbbing of the Suzuki rotary engine. In rain or in wind, hot and cold, day after day, under every imaginable adverse condition, the prototype of Suzuki rotary engine-powered motorcycles ran to prove their amazing durability. Now, only 3 years after entering this venture, Suzuki has developed a spectacular rotary engine that can justly be called Suzuki's own. Now let's examine some of the features of the Suzuki Rotary engine which make it so spectacular. The Suzuki Rotary is a conventionally mounted high-performance engine. It is compact and reliable, with a big advantage in the ease of inspection and maintenance. A specially developed process provides a high-quality plating on the aluminum alloy rotor housing. This special-plated surface so ideally matches the center-cast apex seals of the rotor that surprisingly high engine durability has been realized. The unique peripheral port suction system of Suzuki's own design, incorporating two small suction ports for low-speed operation and a large port for high speed, assures even torque at low speed, as well as smooth acceleration in the high-speed range. All over the machine, valuable techniques accumulated through the long years of manufacturing the fabulous Suzuki motorcycles have been fully exploited. Suzuki Rotary engine adopts newly developed capacitor discharge ignition system, which uses double contact points. This unique ignition system, controlled by engine speed and intake vacuum effect, avoids erratic combustion and keeps stable running of engine. The problem of heat dissipation has been solved by an ingenious method. A water-oil combination cooling system has been adopted for cooling the engine proper. In this system, the rotor housing is cooled by water, while the rotor is cooled internally by oil, which results in an amazing high output rate and amazing engine durability. The exhaust silencer shown here incorporates the unique Suzuki cooling system. In this double-wall type exhaust silencer, air entering through the forward inlet flows regardless of the speed of the motorcycle to effectively cool the exhaust inner pipe, which reduces temperature and noise. A touring machine of the new age, the Suzuki Rotary, powered by the rotary engine, the result of the total resources of Suzuki. The rotary engine is equipped with a high-efficiency twin muffler. Unique style that is worthy of the touring machine that leads the new age.